I took a closer look at Twitter's rebranding exercise and how it has affected the brand so that you don't have to. For over a decade, you couldn't miss Twitter's familiar blue and white logo. A symbol of the unique word tweeting became a common term for posting, and a tweet meant sharing something on the platform. Twitter employees even playfully call themselves tweeps. But things have taken a surprising turn after Elon Musk came on board. Twitter has now become X. And this change has sparked a storm of opinions and a lot of discussion from users and experts alike. Get ready to dive into the story of from Twitter to X. We will explore the big changes that happened and discover what we can learn from this exciting rebranding adventure. Here are some key metrics that happened to Twitter after the rebrand. The pros. The installs of the app surged by 20% week on week after the rebranding, and user growth saw a steady 3 to 4% increase. App usage, however, reached an absolute peak as attested by the now CEO. Elon Musk also alluded to the fact that monthly users soared to new heights. However, on the flip side, time spent per user on the app dropped by 7%. Daily sessions per user also dropped by 6%. And Apple Store reviews show 50% of the new reviews are only 1 star, echoing user discontentment. And Bloomberg estimates that Elon Musk's rebranding decision caused a $4 to $20 billion value loss. So what do you think about the rebranding of Twitter to X? Let us know in the comments, and if you want to get more scoops on how the branding process actually took place, please like and follow Prism Digital and share this video with a friend who has a hard time dealing with the rebranding of Twitter to X.